Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to talk to you about the new Essence Crystal Power Nail Polish collection. This collection I got sent out to me from my PR company, but the usual colors are $1.99 each and you can get them in any store that actually sells Essence, which are a lot of drugstores here in the Netherlands. But first up, before I'm going to swatch all of them, I removed my previous color and I'm going to apply one of my Essence base coats just to give them a nice base to adhere to. So this first color is 01 Be Brilliant. I have to say that the print of like all of the text on these bottles is sometimes a little bit hard to show on camera, but nonetheless it does say the name. These polishes are completely vegan and cruelty free, such is Essence, like the entire company and all of their items, so that's pretty cool. This polish, I have to say, is quite sheer. Even though this complete like crystal power collection is supposed to be highly opaque and like really give you amazing coverage like a lot of the colors do, but this first one I would say it is more of a topper than a regular like nail polish, because I did apply 2 layers in total and it does give like some sort of full coverage, but completely covered it is not. So yeah, I would just suggest to add maybe 3 layers or just add it as a beautiful topper to give a gorgeous like pearlescent kind of affected nail. Nonetheless, even though it is not opaque enough like for my personal preference, I think it's a lovely pearlescent, super shimmery, metallic-y kind of color, and if you're into pearly kind of tones like this one, definitely check it out. Each bottle contains 8 milliliters and yeah, for just $1.99 a bottle, that's a really good deal. And again, if you do store your polishes properly, they actually last for decades. Like seriously, trust me, I have really old polishes, like 9+ years old, and they're still perfect. Then the second color I have already shown you before in my previous Essence video. This one is called 02 Be Strong, and I swatched it like a month ago or something on a little swatch stick because I didn't have all of the colors back then. I really wanted to talk about this one as well and just apply it on my own natural nail, showing you what it looks like, how it applies, and so on. So this one is a little bit more opaque, I have to say, and I really do love the fact that this collection is kind of metallic-y, shimmery, because they do dry pretty fast as well. So especially if you use or apply thin layers, you don't have to wait that long before it's completely dry. And I'm sorry guys, if you hear any background noises, my husband is upstairs like messing around, actually just redoing the attic a little bit. So yeah, sorry about that. If you hear like any like rumbling on the background, that's what's happening. But here I am applying the second layer of the color called Be Strong. This one is just a beautiful rose goldy kind of tone, a little bit on the cool side of the spectrum, if you know what I mean, but I really do love this one. I think it's beautiful to wear in fall, but definitely for the holiday season I think it's really beautiful. And yeah, I think this is one of my favorite colors from this Crystal Power Nail Polish collection by Essence. So yeah, let me know what do you think about this shade, because I am in love. Then the third one is more of like a darker rose gold, more towards the pink side, and this one is called Be Calm. Compared to the previous one, which was also kind of rose goldy, the previous one was more gold and this one is more of like pink, more rosy in my opinion. Again, beautiful color, really lovely formula as well, and completely opaque in just 2 coats. Again, they dry really quickly, so you don't have to wait like a lifetime before your nail polish is actually completely dry and fully hardened out. Because sometimes if you apply thicker layers and your nail polish seems to be dry and it actually really isn't, you can get like really big dents in your nail polish and we just don't want that. So yeah, back to this polish. As I said, a beautiful rosy pinky rose gold, beautiful shimmer in there. And yeah, let's just go in with the second layer. I have to say, I really do like the brush from this nail polish collection, or at least the bottle as well. It is really relatable to all of the Essence brushes. They just work really nicely. It is a little bit different than the brushes you get in the Shine Less Than Go collection nail polishes, because those really apply like a dream. So these are a little bit different, but still work really, really nicely. But this was the third color already. We have 6 in total. So yeah, let's just continue to the fourth shade. So this fourth color is a beautiful purple metallic. Again, really stunning. It's like a medium purple, not too dark, not too light. It's not like a lavender. It isn't like a super dark galaxy purple either. I do have to say that this color would be really pretty to apply on top of a black and make kind of like a galaxy design. Maybe with the blue tone from this collection as well. That would be really, really pretty. I definitely have to make like a galaxy design with this collection now I'm thinking about it. So yeah, I'm just going to write down that idea because I think that will be really beautiful. And since the collection is new since August, I think, August or September, these are still available. So yeah, please remind me to make a design with these polishes. So back to this purple. As you can see, there's also a little bit of a blue glitter in there, like not like a super harsh, big, like chunky glitter, but just a finely milled glitter that really blends in lovely with the metalliciness of this design or nail polish. Is metalliciness a word? Metallicness? I don't know. But I really, really love this color. It is just definitely one of my favorites as well. And it's called Be Yourself. I really love the names from these polishes as well. Really simple, but hey, there's like nothing wrong with a little bit of simplicity in life, right? So then the fifth color already, which is called Be a Dreamer. It's kind of like a bluish gray. Not really like a true gray. I feel like there is a little bit of blue in there, but I really, really love it. Again, really lovely shimmer and glitteriness in this metallic polish. All of the substances of these polishes in this collection are similar. There isn't a specific color which maybe has like a thicker substancy or something. That is something that can happen actually with some colors, but they're all really, really alike, really similar, and they just apply like a dream. Like, especially if you have shorter nails, you will be done in like a couple of minutes with your entire manicure, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this first coat is about like 75% opaque. You can still see a little bit of patchiness on the tip area, so I'm just going in with a second layer. And I have to really, really like say that I wasn't disappointed in these colors. It was only the first color, that really pearly one, that was a little bit too sheer to my likings, even with 2 coats. But so far, I'm really, really impressed. And yeah, I can really recommend them. But then again, I am a big Essence Cosmetics fan. I love their polishes, I love their mascaras, I love their eyeshadows. They're all just really, really pigmented. So yeah, let's go on to the 6th color, which is called Be Passionate. This is kind of like a bluish teal tone, which again would look beautiful in a galaxy design made with these polishes on top of a black. Maybe sponge them on a little bit or something to really make the Milky Way kind of effect. Yeah, I'm really, really looking forward to make a galaxy design with these colors. But this one has a little bit of a darker base, in my opinion. Definitely a darker base compared to some of the other colors from this collection. And it is really nicely opaque. Like even the first layer, if you have shorter nails, 1 layer is good enough to get it completely opaque. But if you have longer nails like I do, just go in with a second layer and just get rid of any patchiness or bald spots that you might have from your brush strokes. So yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this collection. As I said, the first one is a little bit, I don't know. I do love how it looks on top of a black as like a special effect topper, because it is really packed with a lot of glittery shimmeriness and just beautiful like metallic vibes, a little bit pearlescent as well. But all of the other colors are just completely opaque in 2 layers. So yeah, do let me know which of these colors is your favorite. I think I really love the rose gold kind of shades, but the purple is gorgeous too, and then that bluish teal tone. I don't know, I love this entire collection. I just think it's gorgeous. But yeah, just $1.99 each. They contain 8 milliliters and they are vegan and cruelty free. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.